Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Bipin and I am very much excited to announce that I am going to create a video tutorial series on C# language. The course name is B# in C#. So in this course, we are going to cover each and every topic from the C# language. This course is designed in such a way whether you are new to coding or you are brushing up your skills or you want to create something robust. So this course would be very beneficial for you. Here we are going to cover each and every topic from the C# language. You need not to worry, we'll keep it very simple, and for each and every topic we are going to tell you easy to follow explanation and with the coding demonstration. And I am going to tell you few tips so that you can learn faster about this C# language. So are you ready, guys? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any video from this particular series. And guys, if you have any kind of questions or any kind of doubt, do let me know into the comment box. I'll try to create a video on that particular topic and share that with all of you so that every one of you can take a benefit of that particular video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.